Casey, how do people make money online?
People say a lot of things, but I believe that the only way to make money online is to sell something.
But everybody is not into sales now. Are you saying that people can't make money if they are not selling?
Yeah, they may not be selling physical products or digital products, but they are selling their services. There is no way someone will give you money for nothing. You get money in exchange for a value you offered. So you're working in a company, you're the accountant, you're offering accounting services and they are paying you for it. You're the web developer, you're offering web development services. That is what they are paying you for. They are not just paying you for coming to work every day. So you're selling something. Either you're selling ideas, products, services, you're sure selling something.
But I've heard people say you can just make money from posting content. Like, I'm not selling anything, I'm just creating and posting.
Yes, you can make money from just posting content. Yeah, but I don't advocate for that because people who are monetized will tell you that for 1,000 views, they get paid as little as 1 cent, $0.01 for 1,000 views. To get just $100, you need 10 million views. So how many things are you going to post before you get 10 million views? These 1,000 views, sometimes you can even get 3 posts or 4 posts that has 1,000 views and you're being paid for just one. But let's just assume that for every single post you make, you get 1,000 views and you're paid $0.01. This means to get $100, you need to make 10,000 posts before you make $100. That's a lot. So I don't advocate for that.
But does selling things online really work? I've tried to make money online and I've not been able to. And I know a lot of people too who have tried to sell something online, but they didn't succeed.
Yes, you've tried to sell things online and you didn't make money because you don't start from selling. You start from building a personal brand. I always say build a personal brand, then sell anything you like. Build a personal brand first. After that, sell anything you like. There's this academy that almost all influencers have talked about. They'll tell you, oh, you've been asking me how to make money online, right? This is the opportunity to learn AI automation, or this is the opportunity to learn website development from so and so academy for you to make money. But that is not what they are doing to make money. They are telling you this is what you do to make money. Is that what they are doing to make money? No, that's not what they are doing. But because they've built a personal brand, they can sell anything to you. You know them, you like them, you trust them. So whatever they sell, if you're interested in it, you're going to buy it. So the first thing to do is not to start selling, is to build a personal brand. That's why I'm organizing a class this August to teach you how to build a personal brand. I'm going to hold your hands like this and show you from beginning how to build a personal brand and how to make money from it. It's not going to be the regular kind of online class. This is going to be very personal. You can ask personal questions. It's not going to end in just 1 month. I'm going to hold your hands like this until you start making money from your personal brand. So quickly, rush. We are starting in August, and August is almost here. Use the link below to sign up and join us.